Folbic is a combination of vitamins that includes vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and folic acid. It is used to supplement or provide these vitamins to people who may not have enough of them for good health. It is important to take Folbic as directed by a healthcare professional to ensure that you are getting the right amount of these vitamins. It is typically taken once daily, and the best time to take it may vary depending on your individual needs and schedule. Be sure to consult with your doctor or pharmacist for the best timing for you. When taking Folbic, it's recommended to take it by mouth, either with or without food, typically once a day as prescribed by your doctor. If you experience any stomach upset, taking this medication with food may help. It's important to use this medication consistently to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, try taking it at the same time every day. The dosage will depend on your specific medical condition and how you respond to the treatment. Some common side effects of Folbic include nausea, stomach upset, diarrhea, drowsiness, flushing, and numbness/tingling. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. However, it is important to tell your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as mental/mood changes or unusual weakness. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Folbic, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. Also, be sure to discuss your medical history, especially if you have certain blood disorders. It's important to note that Folbic may cause drowsiness and can be enhanced by alcohol or marijuana. Avoid activities that require alertness until you know how this medication affects you. Limit alcohol consumption and speak to your doctor if you are using marijuana. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if necessary and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding while taking Folbic. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, follow your doctor's instructions carefully. This medication is typically taken once a day, at a specific time. Be sure to take it as directed for the best results. Drug interactions can affect how your medications work and may increase your risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Folbic include altretamine, cisplatin, levodopa, when used without carbidopa, folic acid antagonists, such as methotrexate, hydantoins, such as phenytoin, diphenylhydantoin, and pyrimethamine. Folbic may also interfere with certain lab tests, potentially causing false test results. It's important to make sure that lab personnel and all your doctors are aware that you are taking Folbic. If someone has taken too much Folbic and is experiencing severe symptoms like loss of consciousness or difficulty breathing, it's essential to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the US, you can reach your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It's important to act quickly in these situations to ensure the person receives the necessary medical attention. It's important to remember not to share this medication with others. Your doctor may also want you to have lab or medical tests, like a complete blood count or homocysteine levels, while you're taking Folbic. Make sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. It's best to get your vitamins and minerals from healthy foods, like leafy greens, vegetables, and citrus fruits. Folic acid is also found in enriched grains such as bread, pasta, and cereal. Some brands of Folbic may also contain additional ingredients like vitamin E, para-aminobenzoic acid, or alpha-lipoic acid, so it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the specific ingredients in your brand. And remember to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines recommended by your doctor. If you forget to take a dose of Folbic, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store Folbic at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's important to keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the medication, don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper way to discard Folbic when it's expired or no longer needed. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.